Nature's architects. 7 animals that create amazing structures. 7. Coral. Tiny coral polyps secrete calcium carbonate, forming vibrant, complex coral reefs in underwater ecosystems. 6. Bowerbirds. Male bowerbirds craft attractive bowers adorned with colorful objects to impress females. 5. Ants. Ants create organized living spaces with complex underground tunnels and chambers in anthills. 4. Beavers. Beavers construct dams from sticks, mud, and stones, creating protective ponds for themselves. 3. Birds. Weaver birds are expert nest builders, using twigs, leaves, and branches to create hanging homes. 2. Spiders. Some spiders spin intricate webs to catch prey, coming in various shapes and sizes. 1. Termites. Termites build towering mounds from mud and saliva, creating colonies' homes.